Hello everyone, this is Anna from Luoyang Hongyuan Bearing. Today I'm very glad to introduce you one of our products, HRT Precision Rotary Table Bearings. HRT Rotary Table Bearing is composed of a L-shaped inner ring, an outer ring, a washer, and also 2 cages with roller assembled, and also a row of radial rollers. This kind of bearing has high axial and radial load, high rigidity, and high precision. The rotating precision can reach 1 micron. HRT series precision rotary table bearings satisfy rotary tables' combined load requirements, simplifies rotary table structure, and also reduce the cost. If you have demand of HRT precision bearings and also some non-standard precision bearings, please contact us. And also welcome to visit our website www.honb.com and also www.honbyrt.com.